Hello, dear students. Myself, Mrs. Patil VR from Computer Department, JSPM Dhurabai Sound Polytechnic. Today, I am going to give a session on how to capture the ICMP4 packets using a relevant software. So, the practical outcome of today's session is capturing the ICMP4 packets by using an utility programs like a ping command or a traceroute command and tabulate those captured parameters using a software. So for this practical we need the software as a Wireshark. It is having the different versions. Here we are using the Wireshark 3.2.8. So before starting the practical, here we will see the outcomes related to this practical. The skills which we are getting after studying this practical is how to capture ICMPv4 packets using a software or investigating IP protocols using a software. So the relevant outcome after studying this practical, that is a course outcome, is implementation of different informations related to ICMPv4 and IP protocol. And for this purpose, we are using the software which has some requirements related to system. The hardware computer system requirements are: you should have a processor CPU with frequency of 1 gigahertz, memory 2 to 4 GB HDD and 1 GB, operating system Windows 7 or Windows 10 with a 64 bit. Okay, so and the relevant software is a Wireshark. So how you are going to download the Wireshark? First we will see how you are going to start the Wireshark. So first of all we will explain how to download a Wireshark. Wireshark, here you can see, open any web browser, type at URL as Wireshark. You will get a screen like this. Click on Wireshark Go Deep. Here you will see the website of Wireshark, that is wireshark.org. After getting this screen, it will ask you to download that Wireshark software. Click on download. Go to old stable release, that is 3.2.8. It is a version of Wireshark. 3.4.0 is a latest version. So we'll go for 3.3.2.8. For 64-bit Windows installer, click on Windows installer 64-bit. Here you can see it is downloading. It is of 57.2 MB. Wait, still it get download. After downloading, whenever download completes, click on the file which you have downloaded. It will ask you to make some changes. Do as. Then welcome to Wireshark 3.2.8 64-bit setup. Click on next. Read the agreements, license agreements. Do I agree? Click on next. These are the components which we are going to install in Wireshark. If you want a desktop icon, then click and do next. So this software will be installed in the folder C colon program files Wireshark. Do next. It will ask to install the npcap, which is required to capture the network data, network live data. You can install. So again it will ask you for USB capture. USB cap is required to capture USB traffic. So we are not required this USB capture. So we will click on install. So now your Wireshark software is installing. It will take a few minutes. We will wait for it. So after that it will ask you for the license agreement. Do I agree? So these are the terms. Nmap, some setups. Do install. Now it is installing. So here you can see the message as setup was completed successfully. Then click on next and npcap has been installed on your computer. So click on finish. Then again the installation is completed and you will get a message. Then click on next and click on finish. Now here you can see the message that your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Wireshark. So do you want to reboot now? Now I will do the reboot. Okay, now I am choosing the option as reboot now. Now our PC will get rebooted. The screen will be gone.